Hello guys, it is the second video tutorials where I will show you how to create the steel bracket in sheet metal workbench. So for this purpose, let's open the FreeCAD and activate the part design workbench and create the model here, and you will get the body. And in the body, let's choose XY plane and create the 2D sketch in the part design workbench. So, and after that, let's create the two lines and one circle, and let's link our line with circles, and let's make the trim for our circle, and let's make the field operation for angles between lines and circle. After that, let's set the constraint with equal condition. It will make the equal length of curves, and let's set the dimensions. It will be 40 millimeters for line, the radius for field, and radius for this circle. And after that, let's create the dimension for this horizontal gap between two lines. It will be also 30 millimeters. Okay. So let's change some dimensions, and after that, let's go to the sheet metal workbench. You can download it from add-on manager, and you can I showed in previous video tutorial. So after that, let's make this operation and change the radius. You have to set here some big radius, and after that the model will create correctly. Okay, and let's change the thickness of sheet metal. Okay, it looks correct, and now let's change the length of the band, (40 millimeters) is enough. And let's go to the part design workbench and let's create on this surface the hole. Okay, the first you have to create the plane. You also can create the sketch on the surface, but you can also map this circle, our sketch to the plane, datum plane. So let's create the circle and set the dimensions for this. Okay, and let's set the position of the center of this hole on the surface. And close the sketch, and the last operation will be creation the hole. Let's set some big length for cut operation, and let's hide this bottom space, hide the plane. Okay, and after that, let's go again to the sheet metal workbench. We have the finished geometry here, and let's now let's choose the some surface and make this operation. Okay, and we have created the unifold and unifold sketch. Let's hide our steel bracket, and you have this plate. Okay, this is our original model and this is plate. You can also to see these dimensions here for this sketch, and so we have finished the creation of this steel bracket. So thank you for watching, subscribe to the channel, goodbye.